Welcome to Reading is Best channel. In this video, I am going to talk about psychodynamic perspective. Before starting the video, let's debunk one misconception. Many people are confused about psychodynamics and psychoanalytic and think that psychodynamic and psychoanalytic are same, but they aren't. Psychoanalytic refers to the Freud's original theories and approaches, whereas the term psychodynamic refers to both his theories and those of his followers. If we look at history, we find that followers of Freud weren't much satisfied with Freud's overemphasis on sexual drive, which he referred as libido. Thus, they contradicted him and gave more importance to social environment. One key assumption of psychodynamic perspective is that it says our behavior and feelings are powerfully affected by unconscious motives led by our unconscious mind. This unconscious mind comprises or consists of mental processes that are inaccessible to our consciousness but do influence our judgments, feelings, or behaviors. Moreover, this perspective states our childhood events greatly influence our adult lives and even shape our personality. Such traumatizing childhood events can remain in the unconscious mind and cause problems as adults. Another great idea of psychodynamic perspective is that our human personality is made by combination and interaction of id, ego, and superego. According to this perspective, id and superego are in constant conflict with ego, so a person tends to deal with them using his or her defense mechanism. In such case, defense mechanism helps the individual to cope with anxiety and prevent their ego from being overwhelmed by id and superego. These are the main ideas of psychodynamic perspective. And thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, you can click the like button below, and if you have any kind of queries or suggestion, you can comment in the comment box below.